you interested in improving your tractor operation efficiency? John Deere tractors, available from 45 to 190 horsepower, provide efficiency benefits in power, fuel economy, traction, hydraulics, operator comfort. Efficiency benefits to help you keep pace with the demands of farming today and in the future. Start with power. In the smaller size tractors, the 2150, a 45 PTO horsepower diesel. The 2350 at 55 horsepower. The 2550, 65 horsepower. And the 2750, 75 horsepower. At 85 horsepower, the 2950, and at 95 horsepower, the 3150 offers a lot of work efficiency for the money. In the 5 largest tractors, the 105 horsepower 4050, the 120 horsepower 4250, the 140 horsepower 4450, the 165 horsepower 4650, and the 190 horsepower 4850. All 4 larger tractors use a 466 cubic inch displacement engine. The 105 horsepower 4050 uses a 359 cubic inch displacement engine. The 120 horsepower engine is turbocharged, as is the 140 horsepower 4450. The 165 and 190 horsepower engines are both turbocharged and intercooled. Regardless of tractor size, it takes power for optimum speed, optimum output, power to achieve cost-efficient farming, power to work V-rippers and discs more efficiently, power to work other equipment at optimum speeds. But optimum speed and optimum output are not the only goals. You want high-quality work too. And when you have more power, optimum speed can result in higher quality output. Plow bottoms, disc blades, chisels, all your equipment performs better. For greater fuel efficiency, John Deere engineers designed lower friction pistons for these tractors. Turbochargers and the fuel delivery systems are more efficient too. There's the viscous fan drive to automatically vary fan speed to match cooling requirements. The result is less fuel used and lower sound levels. It all adds up to more fuel economy, especially when you match a John Deere engine with the right powertrain. The quad range transmission is standard equipment on the 4050 through 4650. Quad range matches up with other transmissions offered by competition. 4 ranges with 4 speeds in each range. The 1-2 speed and 3-4 speed can be shifted on the go with no clutching. The leading transmission in the row crop industry is 15-speed power shift, the only true power shift. Check competition. They might call their transmission a power shift, but only John Deere provides 15 speeds to choose from, with the ability to shift smoothly and effortlessly from one speed to the next, with no clutching. You've got 4 speeds below 3 miles an hour for PTO work, 7 speeds between 3 and 7 miles per hour for field work, and 4 speeds above 7 miles an hour for transport and other high-speed uses. Power shift makes headlands easy to handle. Downshift a bit for the turn. Upshift a couple of speeds for the trip across. Downshift again during the turn. Then return to the original working speed. If soil conditions change and the going gets tough, power shift gets going even tougher. The engine runs at full load all the time. and that means it can always operate at the best speed for fuel economy and productivity. The 15-speed power shift features a modulating shuttle that lets you shift from forward to reverse without stopping or clutching. Extra efficiency in the feedlot. This transmission is standard on the model 4850 and available on all models from 105 horsepower on up. An important partner for another efficiency feature. The exclusive caster action mechanical front wheel drive. It maximizes traction efficiency. You get a traction edge over the same tractor size without mechanical front wheel drive. And that's in good field conditions. When the going gets tough, caster action supplies an even greater productivity advantage. You get this traction boost and still keep a tight turning radius. With caster action, your turning radius is only slightly larger than with standard two-wheel drive. This benefit is achieved because the front wheels actually caster 13 degrees, providing excellent maneuverability at the narrow tread settings needed for 30-inch row farming. This provides a 31% shorter turn radius than the major competitor. Wider tread settings provide a maximum 50-degree turn angle. This added maneuverability is a big advantage in the feedlot, farmyard, and in the field. Caster action mechanical front wheel drive is easy to put to work. Press a button and the drive line provides a straight connection between the transmission and front axle differential. You engage or disengage on the go. Keep in mind that this is a full-time advantage. About the only time you won't want it is during transport or on hard surfaces where you have plenty of traction and don't want the excessive tire wear of a full-time system. With caster action front wheel drive at work, you also have a limited slip front differential to keep you going when field and load conditions would normally stop you in your tracks. Power is automatically transmitted to the front wheel with the best traction when you need it most. John Deere hydrostatic steering maneuvers tractors easily through tight turns or straight line field work. One more important benefit. You can position the front wheels in any one of 8 spacings to handle popular row widths, narrow to wide. The basic efficiency benefit of caster action mechanical front wheel drive is improved traction, of course, and this leads to a host of advantages. More productivity, more usable power, more positive steering, and more fuel efficiency. You might just find that you can work without duals or with less ballast. And you get something very precious, more efficient use of your time, as caster action helps you do more work on good weather days and converts bad weather days into working days. Caster action mechanical front wheel drive is available on all tractors from 55 to 190 horsepower. Quad range or power shift is optional with mechanical front wheel drive, 4050 through 4450. On 4650 and 4850, only power shift is available. More hydraulic efficiency. In all these tractors, there are selective control valves with ISO standard couplers. There's more usable flow at every outlet, and couplers accept industry-wide standard hose tips. Plus, an identification system that ends hookup confusion. In the larger tractors, hydraulic pressure lines are larger, and back pressure has been reduced throughout the system. Hydraulic flow is increased for greater lift capacity and faster implement operating times. In the field, hydraulic functions are easier, smoother. More hydraulic efficiency, faster, more precise implement control, and it can save fuel too. Here's another feature on the 105, 120, and 140 horsepower tractors. John Deere's hydraulically assisted mechanical sensing. It takes mechanical sensing and joins it with hydraulic action to provide instant response to changing draft loads. On tractors 105 horsepower and above, if equipped with the 15-speed power shift transmission, there's a modulating PTO that delivers smooth power without any sudden jerking action in the driven machine. Starting with the 4050, a 1,000 RPM drive is standard. The 4050, 4250, and 4450 also offer a 540 RPM power takeoff. Operator comfort for a better work environment. John Deere's Sound Guard body. There's nothing like it. We've made it available on more models than ever before. Plus, it's even quieter. Longer hours are easier hours when you work them from the comfortable seat of a Sound Guard body. Transmission controls are where you want them. Controls are color-coded and specially shaped so that you can select a function quickly and more accurately. In the comfort of that Sound Guard body, you tell the tractor what you want it to do, and it tells you what's happening. The electronic instrument panel provides you with the information you're looking for to operate the tractor at top efficiency and greater fuel economy. This is Investigator 2, a microprocessor display in the larger tractors that alerts you when something's wrong, identifies the problem, and calls for appropriate action. Engine RPM is monitored constantly with the digital tachometer. Touch-sensitive switches let you switch the readout to ground speed and PTO RPM. Lower horsepower tractors also feature an electronic display that's complete and easy to read. And the airflow of the window defrost is directed from here to quickly clear up your view. Speaking of view, you've got a wide range of vision through the windows. 112 degrees forward, 330 degrees total field of vision. In all tractors, you'll find an electrical outlet for hooking up implement warning lights and for other electrical functions. Large tractors also provide an accessory service plug inside the Sound Guard body for planter monitors or other electrical accessories. Many of the features and benefits we've talked about so far have applied to all tractors in this line. Big tractor features on even the smaller size tractors. And these tractors also provide the efficiency benefits of increased power. We mentioned big tractor features, which brings us to John Deere's TSS transmission, a synchronized 8-speed transmission found on the 45 through 85 horsepower models. It gives you on-the-go shifting. And you can double the speed selection with the high-low option. Or you may prefer the optional direction reverser, especially if you do much feedlot work. Or even a creeper transmission for super slow ground travel requirements. Caster action mechanical front wheel drive? As you heard before, it's yours as an option on all sizes, starting with the 55 horsepower 2350. Hydrostatic steering gives these tractors plenty of steering capacity and eliminates mechanical linkages. One more feature, we've used them to spotlight the many benefits of this tractor line. Front bar lights. They help light up that area just ahead of the tractor, so you can work more effectively with less eye fatigue in dusty conditions or after sundown. A more recent addition to the John Deere line, to fill the requirement between 85 and 105 horsepower, is the Model 3150. Powered by a naturally aspirated 359 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine, this powerful 95 PTO horsepower tractor offers many deluxe features as standard. There is a synchronized transmission with 16 forward and 8 reverse speeds, plus high-low, so you can shift on the go without clutching. Mechanical front-wheel drive gives all-purpose traction, and exclusive caster action lets you turn sharply. This lean, nimble tractor can swing in and out of tight places, even when equipped with a loader. Hydraulics? It lifts up to 6,300 pounds with its 2 lift assist cylinders as standard. 4-post rollover protection is standard, and the famous Sound Guard body is available. The 3150 with mechanical front-wheel drive, TSS high-low, and many other proven features at 95 PTO horsepower. Added together, all these tractors offer a big collection of more efficiency, more usable power, more fuel economy, more traction, more hydraulic efficiency, more comfort, more of everything it takes to help you get your work done with more efficiency from any tractor power size you select. John Deere tractors from 45 to 190 horsepower, plus special models your dealer can advise you about. These are your bread and butter machines, tractor power you can depend on, while they focus on cost-efficient farming today. Plus, peace of mind, knowing you are supported by a dealer organization that provides parts and service second to none, and tractor resale unmatched in the industry. Thank you for watching this video. Your dealer will be happy to give you further information on the model or models to increase your tractor operation efficiency.